What we are looking at is the front vent kind of a thing under the wiper of a car. This is Hyundai Verna 2019. This probably is has a multiple purpose usage, wherein we see, like the rain water that gathers over the car kind of uses this as a drainage exit. It can also be probably used for AC to intake the air when you are using your AC. And the other reason why we're doing this is to prove why, not prove, but to think about why we need a body cover. So here's an example where we've seen an insect. After 3 days of continuous raining in Mumbai, there's an insect which is probably dead and is lying inside this area that we see in the trunk. So it practically gives you a purpose of using a body car cover, wherein the leaves that we've seen in the front of the car, which blocks the water from draining out, which also puts in, the sometimes your AC vents get the smell of mud in from the front. So it's probably the dried leaves has gathered a lot of dust and everything, which is being flown into inside the cabin of your car. It can also put in insects which kind of will crawl into the inner side of the car if the car is parked for a longer period of time, of course. So the whole point is using a body cover can help us protect this. There's another thing that can it can protect with is like a bird poop, which is acidic and corrosive also, which spoils your paint. So just a simple example why what a body cover can help your car with.